Now let's cut across to coronavirus numbers across the country. We're looking at the cases now crossing the 1 million mark in India. Overall cases now totally across the country stand at 10 lakh. In fact, so far the cases now stand at 10 lakh 3,832. This is the latest figure that we're getting from the Health Ministry. The death toll in India now stands at 25,602. These are numbers that come in right this morning at 9:30 a.m. on July 17th by the Health Ministry. Remember, the recovered cases though across of India is quite impressive. The recovery rate is over 65%. So far, out of the 10 lakh odd people, 6,35,757 people have recovered from COVID-19 as well. Cutting across to the states that are severely affected, Maharashtra still remains on top. So far, worst affected state with 2,84,281 cases reported in Maharashtra. Death toll in Maharashtra now at 11,194. Then we could take you through Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu total cases now at 1,56,369, while Tamil Nadu death toll now stands at 2,236. Going over to Delhi, total cases in Delhi now at 1,18,645 cases in Delhi that are reported. The death toll in Delhi now at 3,545. Of course, you also have Gujarat at 45,481 cases, and Karnataka now seeing a recent spike with 51,442 cases being reported in Karnataka. Remember, these figures are given in by the Health Ministry, and the recovery rate has been quite convincing so far. Let's take you through the details of the spike in numbers, how soon and how quick numbers have doubled across of India. COVID-19 numbers have doubled in the country. In barely 2 months, the numbers have shot up from 1 to 10 lakh. In fact, remember, this is due to testing. The more we test, the more cases that we find and that is revealed. But let's take you to the nitty-gritty. Nearly 170 days it really took after the first case was registered on January 30th in Kerala. 170 days that it took for 1 to 1 lakh cases. And right after, the total COVID-19 cases in India have now crossed the 1 million mark. In just 107 days, cases in India reached 1 lakh mark on June 26th. India crossed the 5 lakh mark within close to about 11 days. From 5 lakh from 5 to 7 lakh, it took about 11 days. 7 lakh to 9 lakh, it took about 8 days. From 9 lakh to 1 million, it's taken barely about 4 days. This has been quite a quick jump in India. Cases have doubled in merely 4 days' time. Over the last 4 days, the numbers have shot up from 9 lakh to 1 million. In fact, India now becomes the third highest number of COVID-19 cases that have been reported across the globe, behind the US, which now stands at 3.5 million, and Brazil at 1.97 million cases. But again, to reassure you, the recovery rate in India has been far better.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.